Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. I've got here another video to share with you all, and it's a fun and easy project again. It's just a last minute way for you to make some treat bags for Christmas if you have some last minute little goodies you wanted to give to your friends or family. So this is what they look like, and it uses just your 6x6 paper, and it's just another easy project. You don't need a scoreboard to create these fun treat bags or favour bags. It does hold a few things in there. So I made 4. I use my 12x12 paper pad to make these projects, but if you have 6x6 paper, yeah, that's another way to use up your paper pads. But I wanted to get 4 pieces out of the one piece of 12x12 paper. So these are what I've made. And then there were coordinating cutter parts in the paper pad that I used my die to cut that out. So I stuck that on there, and then I added a little tag, again using one of my Christmas tree die. And this is the other one, and this is a stocking die that I also had. And so that's how they look like, and I made 4 of those. And this is another one, so I'll just show you what I put in these treat bags. So I'll just put a tea bag. This one also has a coffee cappuccino sachet, a nail filer, and a candy cane, and that's the tag. And this is the other one. So this is the other one with, I've got in here some chocolate bars and a couple of candy canes in there as well. But you can add other goodies in here. You can add some little toys, you can add gift cards, another way for jewelry, yeah, so anything you like. But it's just another great little last minute way to make some treat bags, and I'm going to show you how to make those. And then I made the envelopes, matching envelopes to go with it, and this also just uses a 6x6 paper using the envelope punch board, and the envelope size is for a 3x4 card size. And instead of having the opening flap on the longer side, I made the flap open on the shorter side, so that way it's got a more deeper pocket on the inside. And then I just used some of my dies to embellish the front of the envelope, and then I made that as a closure for the envelope flap. So that's one of the other ones that I've made, and this is another one. That's another one. They're all using the same paper pad, and this is another one. And then in there I've got some tea bags. So I managed to put 2 in there, so they'll have some tea bags. So I'm going to show you how to make these fun treat bags. So all you need is you need a 6x6 paper, and then all we do here is we're just going to bring it over, and we are going to line it up and leaving about, you can leave about ½ an inch of the paper out. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to fold it. Yeah, so that's about ½ an inch. You want to leave about that much. So fold that, and then we're going to fold that part that we've left out. We're going to fold that in, just like that. And then on the bottom part here, we're going to also fold that over about the same, about ½ an inch. Just folding that over. So you've got that, and then we're going to open it up. So here you'll have a fold line, a fold line, and a fold line going across. You're just going to get your scissors, and what we're going to do here is we're just going to cut out that rectangle section out here, just up to that fold line that we've folded in half. So we'll cut that out, and then we're just going to cut this out at an angle on the inside of that fold line. So you want to have that sort of a shape. And then on this side here, we are going to just cut this part at an angle, just go across that fold line where they cross over. I'm just going to turn it around so you can see. So what you want to do is you want to just cut it at an angle just where those fold lines cross over. So you'll have that paper looking like that. And then all we do here is we're going to fold this over, and we're going to apply some liquid glue, or you can use double-sided tape, anything you like, and we're just going to apply that to the flap that we've just folded over. And then we're going to bring this side and we're just going to press that down and adhere that, just like that. And then with this part here, we just apply glue to that part of the flap, or whatever you like to use to adhere it. And then we're just going to bring that flap over to the front. And that creates your little treat bag. How easy was that using a 6x6 paper? You can make a whole heap of these and just put them aside for next year, or you can also make them for other occasions. And what I've done here is I've decorated the top edge of the bag just using my decorative scissors that's got a scalloped edge shape. And you can do that if you have some decorative scissors, or you can just leave them as it is. So yeah, I just use one of these, or if you have some decorative edge dies, you can also use that. No particular way you need to do with your top hopper. So that's just another fun way using a 6x6 paper, making these cute little treat bags. Yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you. And then with the envelopes, just use the envelope punch board to make these as well. So I do hope you enjoyed this quick little fun video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.